Welcome to the BMW Ultra Luxury Motorhome 2026, a huge realistic RV built for pure comfort and futuristic travel. Right from the front you see the signature BMW kidney grille, full LED headlights and a wide body design. It has electric slide-out sidewalls, high ground clearance and big alloy wheels for highway and off-road touring. On the roof, you get dual solar panels, AC unit and satellite Wi-Fi system. Main living area. As we enter inside, the interior looks like a 5-star hotel. Leather sofa lounge, 4K smart TV, premium flooring, and soft ambient LED strips everywhere. The smart control panel handles lighting, climate, battery, water tank, and slide-out controls. Kitchen plus utilities. The modular kitchen includes a fridge, microwave, induction cooktop, stainless sink, and elegant glass cabinets. There's hidden storage, upper cabinets, and a dining table set up for two. Bedroom plus bathroom. In the back, a full king-size bedroom with skylight, warm lighting, and luxury bedding. A modern bathroom with shower, vanity mirror, and clean minimal design completes the setup. Outrow. This is the BMW 2026 Motorhome. Huge, luxurious, and built for future travel. Would you live in this? Comment your favorite feature.